In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Slides presentations bigger. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their presentation by adjusting the slide size to better fit their content, making it more visually appealing for audiences, whether in the classroom, boardroom, or any other setting. Let's start by getting you into your Google Drive. You'll need to sign in first, so go ahead and type in your email address and password, then click Next. Remember, to follow these steps, you do indeed need to have a Google account. If you don't have one, it's quite easy to set up directly on the Google sign-in page. Once you're signed into Google Drive, navigate to your Google Slides presentation that you wish to resize. You'll see the list of your presentations right there. Open the one you're working on by simply clicking on it. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Look for the File option located toward the left. Clicking on File will display a drop-down menu with various options. From this list, you'll want to find and select Page Setup. This is where you're going to make the changes to your slide size. After clicking on Page Setup, a small window will pop up. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that's ready for you to adjust the slide dimensions. Click on this drop-down menu to explore the different size options available for your presentation. For a more modern and professional look, I recommend choosing Widescreen 16:10 AE. This option offers a wide display format that is becoming increasingly popular due to its visually appealing aspect ratio, which suits most modern monitors and projectors. This setting will make your slides bigger and provide more space for you to work with, making it perfect for detailed presentations or ones that include larger images. Lastly, after selecting the Widescreen 16:10 option, you need to apply this new setup to your slides. Simply click on Apply. This action will immediately resize all the slides in your presentation to the new dimensions. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now resized your Google Slides to be bigger and more suited to your needs. This can make a huge difference in how your audience perceives your presentation, making it more engaging and easier to follow. Plus, having more space allows for greater flexibility in design and content placement, ensuring that you can convey your message effectively. Remember, it's always a good idea to preview your presentation after resizing to make sure that all elements on your slides have adjusted well to the new size. Sometimes you might need to tweak text sizes or reposition images to make everything look just right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more impactful and visually appealing presentations with Google Slides. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.